This vacuum brush repair and how to do it. My 30-year-old vacuum. I can't believe it's lasted that long. What happens is the wand goes on here, and once in a while this brush falls off. So what's happened is this point right here is worn down. There's a groove inside here, and these are kind of, it's not a spring, but it moves. When that goes in, they get pushed down. Then when it goes into that ring in there, they come out, and that holds the brush onto this part. And what's happened over the years is this is wore down on both these. So what I'm going to do is put some glue on here. And I've used this stuff for many years. Works great. And what I'm going to do is put a dab right up here to build that up so it goes into that ring. I don't want it too tall. Goes into that ring. Too much. That should be alright. I can always file that down if need be. Whoops. I'm going to put some on this side too to build that up a bit. This side's not too bad. So, and I'll let that dry, and we'll see how it works. The glue is dried overnight, and it's looking good. Let's see how she goes here. Oh, nice. Yeah, that'll be much better. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.